Imad?
It's all right. I came back.
Why? What happened? Did something happen?
No, nothing happened.
You didn't smash up the car, did you?
I said nothing happened. Didn't you hear me?
Don't you feel well?
I'm tired to death. I couldn't make it. I just couldn't make it, Sarah.
Where were you all the day? You look terrible.
I got as far as Little above Lahore. I stopped for a cup of coffee. Maybe it was the coffee.
What?
I suddenly couldn't drive anymore. The car kept going off onto the shoulder, you know.
Oh, maybe it was the steering again.
No, it's me. It's me. Suddenly, I realized I'm going 60 miles an hour. And I don't remember the last 5 minutes. I can't seem to keep my mind to it.
Maybe it was your glasses. You never went for the new glasses.
No, I see everything. I came back 10 miles an hour. Oh, and it took me nearly 4 hours from Lahore.
Well, you'll have to take a rest. You cannot continue this way, Mat. Your mind is always overactive, and it's the mind that counts, dear.
I'll start out in the morning. Maybe I'll feel better. These goddamn business sellings are just killing me.
Take an aspirin. Should I get you an aspirin? It will soothe you.
I was driving alone. You understand? And I was fine. I was, even observing the scenery. You can imagine me looking at the scenery on the road every week of my life. Sarah, it's so beautiful up there. The trees are so thick. The sun is warm. I opened the windshield and just let the warm air bathe over me. And then all of a sudden, I'm going off the road. If I'd gone the other way, over the white line, I might have killed somebody. So I went on again. And 5 minutes later, I'm dreaming again. Oh, I have such thoughts. I have such strange thoughts.
But Imad, you're 60 years old. Why don't you tell these things to the company's manager?
I will definitely. Is there any cheese?
I'll make you a sandwich.
No, you go to sleep. I'll take some milk. I'll be up right away. The boy is in?
They are sleeping. Musa took Turab on a dinner tonight.
Oh, that's so.
Well, life is a casting off. It is always that way.
No. Some people accomplish something. Did Turab say anything after I went this morning?
Imad, you shouldn't have criticized him, especially just got off the train. You mustn't lose your temper with him.
When the hell did I lose my temper? I simply asked him if he is making any money. Is that a criticism?
But dear, how could he make any money?
There is such an undercurrent in him. He became a moody man. Did he apologize after I left?
He was crestfallen, Imad. He admires you. And I think if he finds himself, you'll both be happy and not fight anymore.
How can he find himself on a farm? Is that a life?
He is finding himself, Imad.
Not finding yourself at the age of 34 is a disgrace. The trouble is he's lazy. God damn it.
Imad, please.
Bob is a lazy boy.
They are sleeping. Get something to eat. Go on down.
Why did he come home? I would like to know what brought him home.
I don't know. Imad, I think he is lost. He is still very lost, Imad.
I'll see him in the morning. There are more people now.
No, I don't think there is more people, I think.
There are more people. That's what's ruining this country. Population is getting out of control. Competition is maddening. A huge number of graduates are just wandering. I'll see him in the morning. I'm just going to sleep.
Okay, dear.
Somebody to lean on.
Hey, buddy, what's up?
Do you hear that?
Maybe he smashed up the car again. He's going to get his license cancelled if he keeps that up.
His eyes are going.
No, I've driven with him. He sees all right. He just does not keep mine on it. I drove into the city with him last week. He stops at a green light. Then it turns red and he goes on.
Maybe he's colorblind.
Dad, why he has got the finest eye for color in business?
I am going to sleep, man.
You're not still sore on Dad. Are you, Turab?
You smoking?
You want one?
I can never sleep when I smell it.
What a Simonizing job.
I bet you forgot how bashful you used to be, especially with girls.
Oh, I still am, Turab.
Go on.
I think I got less bashful and you got more so. So Turab, where's the old humor? The old confidence? What's the matter?
Oh, why does Dad mock me all the time?
He's not mocking,
Everything I say, there is a twist of mockery on his face. I can't get near him.
he just wants to make you good, that's all. I wanted to talk to you about that for a long time. Something is happening to him. He even talks to himself.
You wanna wash the engine, Turab?
You hear that?
Doesn't he know Mom's hearing that?
Don't get your sweater dirty.
Isn't that terrible? You shouldn't leave again with your photography stuff. You'll find a job here.
Oh, what a Simonizing job, my son.
Mom's hearing that.
Oh, no, just kidding. You got a dinner? Wonderful.
Go to sleep, but talk to him in the morning, will you?
Yeah?
You know, I'm sleeping in here again. The old beds. All the talks that go across these two beds. And about more 500 women would like to know that what was said in this room. And you don't forget. I remember everything you told me about a woman.
Oh, shut up.
Stay here. Turab, stay
What,
here.
Dad?
So, what's up these days?
Nothing much. A job in National Private Limited.
How much they pay you?
18,000 a month.
What? Only 18,000? What have you done for the last 14 years?
What have you done for us, Dad?
What have I done? What have I done? I struggled for you. I brought you up, my son, and you're asking me, what have I done?
So what, Dad? Every father does the same. You never did anything extraordinary.
You haven't done any extraordinary thing yet. At the age of 34, you're earning only 18,000. Oh, what a joke, Turab. How pathetic and shameful is this?
Fine. I never made you feel proud. Am I right?
Yes, you never did so. You cannot. You even cannot earn a handsome living. You have no guts to do so. You are a lazy dummer, my son. Nothing
People
else.
ask where I am and what I'm doing. You don't know and you don't care. That clears it. You are not having any concern with me. I am leaving.
Are you going for an interview?
I've got no appointment, Dad.
So where are you going then?
You are never going to see what I am. So what's the use of arguing?
Oh, I see.
Shake hands, Dad.
Not my hand.
I was not hoping to go this way, Dad.
Well, this is the way you're going then. Goodbye. May you rot in hell if you leave this house.
Exactly. What is it you want from me?
I don't know. What are you doing?
You are going to hear the truth, what you are and what I am.
I said shut up.
Stop it! The man don't know who we are. We never told the truth for the 10 minutes in his home.
We always told the truth.
You big blow. Are you the area manager? You are one of his assistants, you fool.
Well, I am practically.
You are practically full of it, Musa. I am not the leader of the men, Musa, and neither are you. You were never anything but a hard-working dumber.
And you are no more a hard worker, my brother.
Sure. The hard work is the best thing.
The best thing.
Yes. The only thing everything is gonna be. Oh, go on, kid, get to the work.
Stop it!
Going.
Imad, come along with me.
I'm just coming. Leave me
Imad!
for a while. I'm coming.
Nahi, nahi.
Yes, sir.
What is death? Is it the point? When a person breathes no and becomes inactive, like a piece of stone? Or is it what a person experiences more than once in his lifetime. Every time when he fails to realize the truth of others, every time when he betrays himself with a false illusion, every time when he refuses to appreciate the love and concern of others, death is nothing but doing the wrong thing with the right expectation. All of my life, I have deceived myself with false expectations. And as a result of it, I have faced several deaths. Death is not something new to me. Death is not something new to me. What I am going to experience today is not death. It is the liberation from all those false lies and expectations that didn't let me live. That didn't let me live when I was alive.
यार ये
Hi, sweetheart. What's up? Oh, I love you too, my babe. Dad? What happened, Dad? Dad? How can you do that, Dad? How can you leave us alone, Dad? How can you do that? How can...
He had the wrong dreams. All wrong. He never knew who he was. Ahmad was a salesman. And for a salesman, there is no rock bottom to the life. They don't understand life as reality. A salesman is just got to dream.
Just don't say that.
Imad? What happened, Imad? I can't cry. I just can't cry. I don't know what is it, but I just can't cry. Why did you ever do that, Imad? I keep expecting you, Imad. For me, you are just on a trip. I searched and searched and searched, and I don't understand it, Imad. Today, I made the last payment on this house, and today there will be nobody home. Oh God, there will be nobody home.